Welcome, Sawlogs Plastic Hubs, Jim Dedman. Hope you enjoyed today's video that I put together for you. We're always doing something interesting here in the shop. Stick around, watch the video, enjoy, comment. Thank you. Welcome to Mr. Wizard. Science project time. This is my science project. I don't need it. I don't know if it's going to work, but we're going to give it a shot. What we're going to do here is, you already seen the containers, the dollar store containers, little Betty Crocker dollar store containers. What I'm going to do here is basically take this angular cutter and put a hole in the center of this cup. And it's just a piece of wood, so it's not going to take much. Well, the angular cutter don't walk all over Hickenhaven, Georgia. Well, failure one on the science project. It busted instead of cutting. Well, let's figure out something else. Maybe we'll slow the angular cutter down, going back gear, and do this slow. It took 3 lids. This is the 3rd lid. And what I've done, if you'll notice, you see how that's done. Now I'm going to go back, cut this off. Basically, this is just a fitting I took over on a lathe, and I just machined the fitting down. So I'm going to cut this off. I'll bring you back. Okay, we'll turn you back on. And I'm going to cut this off here in the lathe with cut-off tool. Just go in here. There we go. We'll put a little deburr in the top of it here while we got it in here. Now, I don't know how this is going to work. I've said from the get-go, this is a science experiment. This is something I wanted to try to see how it's going to work. Come up with a lower cost option to make oil cups. That's all this is. It's something, as I said, it's a science experiment from the get-go. And here it is. It actually works. So what this will do for us, and I figured it would, because it's basically doing the same thing. The only thing that I will say that's negative about this, of course, there's some leakage around the top and all. It's not going to be perfect, because you can see there's a little bit of leakage when you lay it sideways a certain way, but I mean, it's a doable option. The hardest part about this is going to be getting the hole in your plastic container. That was the failure that I had or struggled with, was getting the hole in the top. But the good part of it is it's a good flat container. So I may use this one on my lathe and try it out. You'll be seeing this in some future videos. So this is my science project. And these cups, I got them at the Dollar Tree for $1, 3 of them. The only thing that's going to be difficult, and I would advise you, maybe you could take an X-Acto knife or something of that nature and cut the centers in them. But basically, this is just a PVC pipe. I'll show you. Here's a couplet that I just put in the lathe and cut 2 little dimples off of it, and then glued it to it to hold it to the container like this. So this is another container, and this is my science project, and this is a quick and dirty experiment. So if how about some of my viewers out there giving this idea a try, and let me know what you think about it. Thank you for watching today's video. This is Jim. This, by the way, I will remind you, this is a copyrighted production of James Dedman, Sawlogs Plastic Hubs, for your personal enjoyment here on YouTube. The other thing I want to do is quickly thank everybody that's out here, that's visited my channel, that views, that comments. Our channel is growing thanks to you, and I want to send you a sincere thanks. Thank you, and have a great day, and we will see you in the next video.